Angler Built is a website that is just tools that are available for anglers to help them out. One of the things that I built is a live price comparison tool. What this page is going to do, you can scan the QR code to get there. Otherwise, it's linked down below in the description. At a minimum of once a day, at least every day, if not more frequently, the prices are going to update. These are all different retailers. You'll see Scheels on here twice because they have an ice fishing version and the regular version. The only difference is the cable. You can use either for either. So I've got both listed here because one's cheaper than the other. It is going and getting the lowest price from all of these retailers every day. So you can just come to one spot when you're ready to buy, or you want to share a link to the page to somebody else, literally share it with the world if you want to. This is supposed to just be a free tool to help people figure out what the lowest price is. You'll see like West Marine, Sportsman's Warehouse, Sportsman's Guide still are at that MSRP of $17.99. And you can quickly and easily see Cabela's and Scheels have the lowest price right now at $12.99.99. All you got to do, go to the page, click check availability. We'll click it right here. I think this one will go to Cabela's because it was that top lowest price. And it'll automatically sort for you. Boom, we've got Cabela's $12.99 popping up. We can go back here. If we wanted to see Scheels $12.99, just to show you that this is real, is we pop on over here. It's going to load the page. And boom, $12.99.99. We got it available at Scheels as well. That's what this looks like. If you want to see some of the other things that are available here, what you can do is once you're on the screen here, is you can, if you want to share it, all you got to do, any page that you're on, you can scroll down. You can copy a link to the page. You can get a QR code for the page. If you want to scan it to somebody, you could send a link via text, Facebook, X, whatever. But if you go up here, you can go to tools and go to price comparison. I actually just clicked on this before. There's more things I got to put in here, some things I'm going to pull out. But these are all products that I'm price tracking right now. I built this tool myself to price track. So this isn't some other website that I'm linking you to. There's some deals on some live scope mounts. If you see the orange price, you can see it's underpriced. The Garmin GPS Map 8610 XSV, if I click on this, lowest price of $2,010. Ladies and gentlemen, $2,000 for an 8610 XSV. That's a great deal. And if you click check availability, I think I'm logged in. I don't want to dox myself here, so I'm not going to click on it, but it'll bring you right to Amazon. West Marine currently has it on sale as well for $600 off. But why would you buy it from any of those when you can get it for almost $1,000 off on Amazon? If I go back, you can also see, and these ones weren't listed as being MRP released. So I thought that was interesting. You've also got the 8612 is currently on sale. Normal MRP is $4,300. You can get it for $3,140 from Amazon. And the best thing about buying from Amazon, I know shop local, your mom and pop shop, but literally, when we're talking about saving $1,100 on something, I don't think a single soul is going to blame you for not shopping local. The other cool thing about Amazon is their return policy, right? You can return it basically for no questions asked if anything happens in a handful of days. If you want to go check out this website, please do. I built the site. How does it help me if you use these links? A lot of these retailers, I've got an affiliate referral thing set up. So that way, if you do end up buying something, great. I may get a little tiny percentage of it. It's not going to add anything to your bill. I use it all the time because I buy stuff all the time and I want to know where the best price is. And a lot of times I'll monitor prices and I'll come here just like this. I literally wouldn't have known that Amazon or West Marine had this thing on sale if I didn't have this price comparison page and was scrolling through it to see where are the orange numbers, which are going to tell me where there's deals going on right now. Like right now, we've got a deal on, of course, the Live Scope. We've got a deal on the GT10 right now, 20 bucks off. That's probably Amazon. Amazon usually has some good prices. I don't want to drain this too much, but this is a pretty cool website if you want to go check it out. It's anglerbuilt.com. If you have products that you want me to monitor on here, drop them down in the chat, shoot me an email, or comment on any of the videos, and I will be sure to take a look at it and see if I can't get it in there.